care what you guys say. I'm bringing cinematics back. I love them. Guys, here is the new L5P on the channel. Look at this sucker right here. Isn't it a unit in white with black? This looks absolutely crazy, guys. These trucks sit so tall from the factory, and what you know about the badging right here just looks so super epic. The mirrors, they are a love-hate relationship, especially when they first came out. Them T-Rex mirrors, everybody hated them. But, you know, after 4 years of seeing them, I think I'm coming around to them finally. But look at the unit. It is not a Denali, even though it's got the Denali grill. It looks killer. It's missing a front clip here. From the pictures, I thought it got shot up or something. It looked kind of wild, but I hear airplanes. Quiet down out there, boy. But yeah, look at it from the front, guys. What do you think? I'm gonna see if Ovi can send me the picture of how it came from the auction site or the last owner, because this thing was super clapped, super wrecked, it all banged up, smashed up. So this actually looks good, believe it or not, from what it was. And I believe it's sitting already on 35s. What are these? Are these actually ridge graps? I don't know what these suckers are. NITTO. What does that say? Recon grappler? Never even heard of that one, but look nice. Got some Havocs. Those are probably 20s. These wheels aren't staying. Definitely got to get something else on it, but they don't look bad, do they? They look pretty killer. Better than the stocks, at least. Looks like it's missing the inner fender liners, but obviously it is a unit. I'm gonna keep saying that. I believe Ovi's probably got it locked for security and insurance reasons down at the shop. Looks like the window tints may be peeling in there as well. He probably got the keys with him, so we're gonna do an exterior rundown here. Like I said, what do we got in the back? Oh, a little air compressor, couple free bricks. Looks like the rear tails are knocked out of it here. Woo! Hello. Banged up. Whoa, looks like somebody took an axe. Is that Whistling Diesel doing a little durability test on it? Bumpers mangled up. I don't know what's going on. Some harnesses. When it came down, it did not run either. So let me get up here. Maybe I can do some talking in the rain. Put it in the background so it's super epic. But yeah, it did not run. It was said to have crazy electrical issues. Tons of lights on the dash. Ovi's been spending all week getting the electrical fixed. He tried to order a new main wire harness, but the lead time's super crazy. Back ordered. Can't even get them. So he's checking junkyards and stuff for that. He was able to overnight a transmission harness because he pulled the cover off the trans and all kinds of water came out, so it fried whatever electrical harness is in there. I'm not a mechanic, but he did get that new, plugged that sucker in and got it running, so it actually does run now and drive, so things are looking up. And yeah, so now it's just clearing a couple other lights and stuff on it and going from there. Gonna have some interior goodies coming as well for this truck, because is it an SLE or SLT? I gotta look because I don't know what it is. 4-wheel drive. Whoa. Whoa, cut that out. Anyways, oh, debadged. That way we don't know. It is a Denali. We're just kidding with you. But yeah, I don't know what else to show you on it because, like I said, the sucker's locked up. Probably set off the alarm. Bedside steps like the old trucks. We guys know about that. Think about that. Roof. Oh, maybe one little hole in the roof there. Except for that side, it's got a big hole. Hopefully it doesn't leak inside. Ovi, it's not as rough as you said it was, buddy. This thing honestly looks clean. And it's so dang tall on the 35s already. This thing looks so killer. Hopefully I'm not getting any rain on the lens because I'm getting rain all over the camera. That new hood piece is coming in, by the way. Gonna get that. I don't know if he's gonna fix the grill or leave it. It gives it some style points, right? But yeah, look at this bad boy. This thing's gonna be killer, man. This rain is just coming down trying to get me. Oh, the new headlights too. Them kind of C-shaped, not totally like the Fords. Got their own unique LED look. Those look killer. The headlights alone, I'm telling you guys, if he were to part this sucker out as is, it'd make a fortune on this sucker because it looks so good. I don't know what to say. You guys tell me what you think of L5Ps and what we should do to this truck, because it's got to stay. It is a keeper. Daily it maybe. Trade off miles with the other trucks. I don't know. But it got to stay on the channel. I'm going to lobby for it. You guys put that in the comments below. But yeah, I'm gonna see if I can get the keys. Ovi's probably got them at home, but I'll check for the keys. You break it, you buy it around here, so I'm gonna pick that booger up. Okay, there goes that. And yeah, let's get inside, see if we can get the keys. All right, guys, now we got Ovi on camera, all mic'd up, ready to go, buddy. Been a fun series. It's weird because we're filming this first, and it's gonna be what they see last, so thank you for the wonderful idea. And we're gonna see how awkward this is for everybody, and hopefully this comes across good, because I'll tell you what, I think Netflix is gonna give us a call if we get this right. So anyways, guys, we do got a lot of boxes over here. You've probably already seen these videos, hopefully, if we did our series right, but you got a lot of parts here. Where'd you source all these parts from?
Bumpers, Nick picked them up in Dubuque. Tailgates from Dubuque, that's from JC. Everywhere.
Everywhere?
A lot of parts from Erickson's.
So you got some local, you got some from dealerships, online, junkyards, yeah. eBay.
eBay orders will be here Monday.
A lot of stuff from different places. So way cool. Got all these parts, like you said. Go back and check some of these out in the videos. This is how the truck came to you, though, right? Essentially, like we're seeing over here.
It was together.
It was together, at least, right? Yeah. I did the walk around with them, kind of showed them the exterior. What kind of damage was done, or do you know, as far as the history of the truck when it showed up? I don't have all that info. Do you know the backstory a little bit?
Arizona.
And what happened? It was wrecked, right?
Yep.
In a bad wreck?
Yeah, it's pretty bad.
It was pretty bad. And did somebody try to rebuild it already?
Yeah, it's already
rebuilt.
It had just wiring issues.
Okay, so that was the main reason they wanted to get rid of it, was the wiring.
Yeah.
What all was it throwing codes for, or what didn't work as far as wiring goes? It didn't run, right? It was a no start.
Kind of.
Kind of.
It was a mess.
Yeah.
Nothing worked.
Nothing worked.
The batteries would die in a couple hours.
And there was water in the transmission. Fried everything. So it didn't want to run worth of crap. So that's where you took over.
Yeah, I'm not sure why there'd be water inside the transmission.
Maybe it was a flood vehicle. You think it was flooded?
No.
It's just like that. And this is a salvage vehicle, right? So rebuilt title.
Yeah.
And then it's obviously base model here. SLE or SLT?
SL something.
It's a something, yeah. So first thing you did was get it running, right? Fell in love with it.
Yep, drove it 1,000 miles now.
Have you really? Mm-hmm. Where'd you drive it to? Everywhere. Just been putting miles on it. This thing is a unit. It's going to be so cool to build. These guys got lucky because they get to see it done. Yeah. We have yet to be begun on it. Is the body straight? Everything lined up as far as the panels and doors and everything? Exterior?
Yeah, frame is perfect somehow.
Wow.
There's a cross member that is not right, but it's already over there.
Yeah.
It was missing bolts in the steering. It was missing bolts in the rear end.
Gee, what is going? Part of the rebuild process, I assume. We don't want to blame the factory for that, do we? Because GM builds good vehicles, guys. This ain't a Ford, not a Dodge, so.
So yeah, it was a.
We'll blame the rebuilders.
Yeah.
So didn't have to do a ton of stuff exterior-wise. Just gonna obviously do a bunch of stuff here to it, but. Came to you, interior-wise, what are we looking at here? I know we got a mess in here, so you've tore a little bit into it.
Yeah, I was trying to find the roof leak.
Because it leaked, right? I showed them earlier, I think there was a couple holes in the roof.
Yeah.
Or is that water just coming from the cab lights?
The cab lights.
So those are aftermarket cab lights they must have put on? Look like they're Recons or something.
They're just glued on.
Just glued on, and...
We got new ones already.
But we got new ones. Shout out Boost Auto Parts. You guys are amazing. You guys get on there, check them out. Hey, look at this. It's like they got the picture on there already. That's what you need, that guy. So that's what the vision is here. But yeah, you got a lot of wiring going on. I'm going to go around the other side so I can see you, because we're still going to be able to hear you with the mics. That's what's good. Semi-pros here. All right, so how did this all come apart? Pretty easy?
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you doing anything to the headliner or just took it out to get the cab lights and putting it back in?
I'm getting a new one because it's got a little water line on it that looks...
How about a 1,000-piece Starlit headliner?
Thought about it, but I don't know.
That's a lot of work. So this is what you get. You got cloth seats here. Got a nice standard bench, almost style flip-down seat there. Steering wheel looks like it came out of a Volkswagen. No buttons, cracked. Just looks like a remote-controlled toy. Oh, yeah.
Boring dash.
Oh, boring dash. That thing is awful. Wow. It's still better than my daily. But it's got some issues.
Brake pad.
Oh, listen to it. She's talking to us. 30,888. Now, that isn't quite right, is it?
Hold on.
Hold on, guys. All right, so back, yeah. Anyways, guys, had a phone call there. 30,000 miles on it.
Yep.
That's what they say. But for some reason, the paperwork didn't say that.
Oh, I figured that out. I got real deep into it.
Yeah, so is that real or?
That's real.
It really only has 30 on it?
Yep.
Are you kidding? This is a brand new truck.
And then every module reads within 1 mile of that, so I know it's right.
Are you kidding me? Now, look, guys, this is crazy because if you've been watching the series, this interior is not what you've been seeing. Beautiful seats coming, beautiful steering wheel, beautiful dash. Everything's changing. It's like what you call AT4 Denali / some ultimate parts. All mixed in with a base model truck. So it's just crazy. We just wanted you guys to see how this started so you can go back through. But it looks crazy. How much time did it take to tear this out? What you got so far? There, boy.
Like an hour.
Huh?
Maybe an hour.
About an hour. So you ain't even got much time in it. So we got at a good time because obviously you got to get everything else out of here. See what the rear looks like. Now, these things got a lot of room in them, don't them? These L5Ps, or these new styles, got a lot more room. This don't even flip down. Is it going to flip down in the new one?
Yep.
Yeah, the AT4s flip down?
Yep.
Perfect. Look at this guy. He walked right back out. Come on, Jakey, get on the video, boy. Say hi to YouTube.
What's up?
Ovi's mic'd up.
I got some more chunks coming out of the oil cooler.
Oh, God.
I pulled the oil cooler and there's like 9 of these laying back behind there.
A good thing getting a new motor.
Yep, shop problems. He must be talking about Ford. But anyways, this interior is about to look a whole lot crazier. I'm honestly in shock with the miles still, dude. You stole this truck. This sucker is brand new. Did it come with the plastic?
No, my ass was wet. This roof leaking.
Yeah, gotta do it, boy. It just shows what kind of care you're taking to this unit. One thing I wanted to talk about, you can go ahead and get out of there. Let's go around back here. A wheel and tire setup. These wheels are not what you're used to seeing. Those wheels, what are you doing with them wheels? Getting rid of them?
I don't know.
Might keep them for another day.
Yeah.
For some burnouts later.
Yeah.
You never can have enough wheels and tires, spares.
I keep blowing bands on my other truck.
Really? But these won't fit on there. These suckers are a lot bigger. You'll find something to do with them. Does it come with the factory gooseneck ball in the back too? I didn't ask you about that.
Yep.
Yep. So the hitch is in there? You just got to drop the ball in?
I think so.
I think so. I ain't even looked. Oh yeah, she's in there. Boy, that would have saved me a lot of time. It's nice when they do that. And this tail light. You got tail lights coming for this thing?
Not yet.
Not yet, you will. I kind of like the smoke look, as long as they're not cheap looking. Some of them look kind of bad. Oh yeah. But she's a unit, guys. This is exactly what we're starting with. So, like I said, if they go back now and see the reveal video, they can have that truck off of just this. Anything is possible. Hit them up. You want to do this for anybody else?
No.
No, not for hire.
No.
Just come down for regular, routine repairs, right? That's what we need. All right, guys, we're going to let Ovi get back to work here. And, yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this series. Here, let me spin around. Oh gosh, I look bad without glasses. All right, guys, so we'll leave you with this. Thank you guys again. Like I said, if you're new, go back and watch the rest of this series. Get caught up now that you've seen what we started with. If you're a subscriber and been following along from the beginning, appreciate you guys so much. Show some love in the comments. Give the video a big thumbs up and share this, because we're ready to get started on our next build, and hopefully it's a lot warmer here soon. Anyways, we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.